It used to be difficult for personal computers to do more than one thing at a time. Starting with Windows 95, it's easy. Start multitasking. Start Windows 95.
The National Weather Service has issued a wildfire warning for San Francisco, California, San Diego, California, Los Angeles, California, Nevada, California, Ventura, California. A wildfire warning means a wildfire is approaching your area. At this time, you should evacuate any building within 5 miles of the wildfire. Gather supplies before you evacuate, and go as far away as possible from the wildfire. If you see the fire outside of your window, it's too late. In such scenario, seek an underground shelter, and seal it with any and all inflammable objects. Remove any flammable objects. Do not open any windows. The windows give oxygen to the fire. Duck as low as possible, and when the fire stops in your shelter, get out, and escape as far as possible.